How to recover a Walmart account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to get access to your Walmart account but you've forgotten your password in the process, then here is how you can recover your account. First of all, open up a web browser on your device and type in walmart.com and search. Also make sure you are inside the sign-in page for Walmart. From the official website, click on Sign In at the top right corner and you'll see this pop-up. Click on Sign In or Create Account. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your phone number or email. Just go ahead and enter your detail for the account you are trying to recover. And once you do, click Continue. On the next page, you can sign in using your email verification or password. If you are trying to reset your password to a new one, just click on Password and then under the box, click on Forgot Password. Then, you'll need to go ahead and click on Send Code on the next page. You'll then receive a verification code sent to you on your email associated with Walmart. Just go open up your email inbox and then enter the code that you received. Just type in the correct code exactly as it appears and click Continue. Once you've verified your email, you have two different options you can choose. Sign in and keep the current password or create a new one. Since we are trying to create a new password in today's video, let's click on Create New Password. If you choose Sign in and keep current password, then you'll be able to access your account just after you verify your email. But if you want to create a new password, click on the second option and then enter the new password you want to change to. Finally, after entering the password that matches these criteria at the bottom, click on Create New Password and sign in. And you'll be able to create a new password and also get access to your account in no time. So that is how you can reset your password or recover your Walmart.com account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video with more easy to follow tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.